Hello everyone. We, the students of Jain Public School Korba, Chhattisgarh, are excited to share our journey in the Greening Education campaign. Through this initiative, we have learned how to make our school and community more sustainable. And we are proud to set an example for creating a healthy environment around us. Together with our dedicated teacher, we have initiated organic farming within our school campus. This hands-on experience not only beautifies our surrounding but also plays a vital role in experiential learning. Our efforts have truly transformed our campus into a green and vibrant space. Let's take a moment to explore what we have accomplished. Students from grade 1 to 5 have been actively involved in learning how to prepare vermicompost using vegetable peels. We have discovered how to recycle fruit and vegetable waste into a natural fertilizer, which is essential for organic farming. Each student brings vegetable scraps to school, placing them in designated buckets. These scraps are used then to store and break down and transform into nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer, which we use both in our garden and as a spray for our plants. Our primary aim is to teach students the importance of preparing organic fertilizers and the harmful effects of chemical fertilizers on our health and the environment. The process we have learned not only provides us with valuable skills but also deepens our understanding of organic farming practices. But our commitment to sustainability doesn't stop at farming. We have embraced an eco-friendly culture in our classroom as well. Each student has been given a plant to care for individually, which helps improve oxygen levels in our environment. This hand-on responsibility enhances our connection to nature and boosts our focus and academic performances. Though this initiative, we are not just learning about sustainability, we are living it. We invite you to visit our school campus to see firsthand how we are making a difference and fostering a greener future for ourselves and our community. Thank you.